the easiest way of creating a beautiful background is with massive stamps. So here I have taken a wooden palette and उसके ऊपर मैंने already मेरा decoupage paper लगाया है. Now I have taken the massive stamps and इसके ऊपर अब मैं करने वाली हूँ मेरा chalk paints. Yes, you heard me right. So massive stamps are the ones जिसके ऊपर आप सिर्फ ink pads ही नहीं आप chalk paints भी use कर सकते हैं. So now with the help of a sponge dauber, I am going to use my chalk paints. This is very simple. Sponge dauber में आप अपना थोड़ा सा chalk paint लीजिए, अपने massive stamps के ऊपर लगाइए and then you can create a beautiful background like this. So it is super easy. इस background में मैं 2-3 different stamps के designs use कर रही हूँ. I'm using 2-3 different shades and you will see how beautiful my background looks like. So when we say जब हम decoupage art कर रहे हैं, mixed media art कर रहे हैं, this is more about creating beautiful backgrounds of your own. So यहाँ पर मैंने printed background लिया है, आप plain backgrounds में भी use कर सकते हैं. And trust me, this is one of the most easiest way of creating your backgrounds and creating beautiful setup for your artwork. So massive stamping is something which you can use with your ink pads, your chalk paints, your acrylic paints. I highly recommend to use your ink pads, your permanent ink pads and your chalk paints because it is easy to remove them. इसको कैसे remove करना होता है, कैसे clean करना होता है, उसके tutorials already हमने अपने एक video में डाला है. You can check that. I'll share the link in the video description box. And to buy these stamps, you can check out our website www.growingcraft.com. That will really help you. And yes, so this is how I have created the background. I'm using my heat gun to dry this up. इसको dry करना बहुत important है. Then only you should do your artwork. Now, जब भी आप massive stamping करते हो उसके बाद you have to seal it up with your varnish. It's up to you whether you finish your work and then do the varnish work, or you can even do the varnish work in the mid of it. So this is how you can create the beautiful artwork, beautiful base, beautiful background. यहाँ पे मैंने ये wooden surface पे किया है. You can do the massive stamping on any bases like literally metal, plastic, then wooden, MDF, on anything. Now to finish this project, I'm using this beautiful resin embellishment and I'm going to stick this on my frame and it is ready. If you want, you can do a little more color blending and text work and some nice highlighting color with your wax and it will be done. So here I'm just highlighting the background and we are ready. So you can see how quickly I just decorated my background with my massive stamp. Do check that on our website at growingcraft.com and do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do let us know if you need any help or suggestions in crafting or your craft supply. I will be more than happy to help. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care and bye-bye.